Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this microwave chocolate cake, which is so quick to make as compared to baking a chocolate cake. And you can see it looks so gorgeous. These are the ingredients you'll need to make the cake, and if you have any questions you can leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to grease and line a 7-inch microwave safe bowl with plastic wrap and set it aside. Then you're going to add your cocoa powder to your flour. Add in the baking powder and the baking soda and give that a good mix till everything is uniform. Then set it aside. Now in another bowl you're going to take your butter and your sugar and beat it till it's light and fluffy. That is how you want it to be. Then add in your condensed milk. Beat for about 1 minute. Then add in your milk. And your vanilla extract. And give a quick mix. Then add in your dry ingredients. And whisk till you see no flour remaining in the batter. Make sure not to overmix this. And then I switch to a spatula. Then pour the batter in your bowl. And make sure to spread it evenly. Now microwave this at 100% power for 5 minutes. And a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean just like that. You're going to set it aside to cool for 1 hour. Then you're going to flip it over on a plate. And you can see that the plastic wrap makes sure that the cake comes out. Then let the cake cool completely. And you're going to slice the cake into 2 horizontal layers. I place the top layer on a plate which is layered with plastic wrap. Then you're going to spoon the Coke over the cake and make sure that the entire surface of the cake is covered with Coke. Here I was making sure that the entire cake is moist. Repeat with the second layer. Now these are the ingredients for the mocha icing, and you can also use ganache for frosting the cake. First you're going to microwave your water at 100% power for 1 minute. Then you're going to add in your coffee powder and the cocoa powder, and you can skip the coffee powder if you just want a chocolate icing. Then add in your butter. Then give a quick mix. and microwave at 70% power for 1 minute. Give a whisk and then slowly add your powdered sugar in, making sure to whisk after each addition. And this was the last addition. Whisk till the sugar dissolves. Now cool and refrigerate for 1 hour or till the icing is thick, and that is how it should look like. Then pour the icing over the bottom layer and spread it out till it just reaches the edges. Then sprinkle with half of the nuts or chocolate chips. Place the second layer on the top. Now spoon over the remaining icing, making sure to let it flow down till the bottom. Make sure to clean the plate afterwards and sprinkle with the remaining nuts. And then refrigerate till the icing sets before serving. And that is how the cake looks in daylight. Here I sliced the cake, and you can see it is so easy to slice. And there's a piece. This cake is so delicious, no one will even know that it is microwaved. I hope you give this cake a try and let me know how it turns out. And you can see the cake looks so beautiful in daylight. I hope you liked the recipe, and do check out my channel for more recipes and subscribe to stay updated with all my new videos. I'll be back soon with a new recipe. Bye!